Hey guys, this is a quick video of me putting in the front seats in the VR-4. Before I did that though, I was showing on this video real quick, I was showing some of the wiring I found behind the dashboard when I took it out. Like there's the Viper alarm, and there was a engine management system there. All these wires are all spliced together. It's a whole bunch of stuff going on there that I'm kind of worried about, that I'm going to have to look into and see what's going on. But I just thought I'd throw that in at the beginning of the video before, because I'm going to do the seats. But before I did them, I just was looking at it more in depth and started realizing, you know, all the wires there, and they were all spliced in, and you know, stuff that's not factory didn't come that way. And if you look, you can see that ignition. You know, I'm assuming that's the alarm that's probably spliced in there. But that's alright, because I'm going to take the ignition out of the other 3000 GT parts car I have, because the key that came with this car, I don't think it's the right key. It doesn't turn the steering wheel, doesn't unlock it, doesn't do anything. So I think I'm just going to use the other ignition. Anyway, so putting these seats in, these things are kind of heavy. Takes a little oomph to get them up. Now, one thing I didn't show in the video is I didn't show me plugging in underneath of them. There's like a little electrical plug under them. I'm assuming that's for the seat belts, so that they know the seat belts are plugged in, and the SRS light, you know, that way it'll go off. But putting these seats in is pretty easy. You know, you just put them in. It's 2 bolts, or 2 bolts in the back. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it here. And it's just two nuts in the front, and then the plastic covers go right over them. The car, when I got it, had custom seats in it. I don't know, like racing seats or whatever. And I took those out, and I think one of the holes for one of the bolts got cross-threaded. But I was able to re-tap it. But it's the back one that you see here on the back, the one that's near that one right there. I think that one was cross-threaded somehow, but whatever. Eventually I got it to go in. Nothing really crazy in detail here. Nothing that like that you're gonna learn from watching this. It's simple and straightforward at this point, putting these in. I will show you a little closer as far as the seats. I mean, the worst blemish on these seats is maybe some stitching that's coming loose along the headrest. But otherwise, there's no rips or nothing. I mean, they got some slight cracks on the side. Yeah, this is me trying to figure out what's going on. Eventually, I get it in there and I just tighten it down and it goes. Yeah, and these covers are a piece of cake. Just, you know, pop them on. I'm hoping to have some more videos coming. I heard on the news yesterday we had the wettest July in the history of Washington, D.C. So, yeah, it's rained non-stop here the whole month. So it makes it a little hard to get out and do videos. I'm going to do more. I'm going to be taking apart the 3000 GT parts car. I need to take that interior apart. I need that dash. I need that center console and stuff. But I'm a little bit of a dilemma that I have with this. The other car is all those dash parts and the center console. They're all gray, but all the parts I got out of the white 3000 GT and the other videos on my channel, all that's black. So if I use the center console from the white one, it's going to be black. There's the stitch I was showing. That's bad. But if I use the center console from the other car, it's going to be gray, and then I'm going to have a black center console. I mean, and then a gray dash. That's not going to look right. So I think what I'm going to do is just use the gray dash, gray center console from the from the parts car, the second gen. Keep it all gray. Although, like my door panels, they're black because they're from the red interior that had the black dashboard. And I'm gonna sell all the black dash pieces on eBay. I mean, they're all spotless. They're all perfect. So I'm gonna sell them. I'll probably get decent money for them. And then just try to keep the interior. So the interior will be red and gray, which, not the best. I kind of like the red and black better. But, whatever. This way it doesn't look all, pieceworked and, different color, consoles and pieces. It's just whatever. Also, I don't have the radio code for one of them. So, anybody knows how to get a radio code, let me know. Anyway, so yeah, that's pretty much it. The video is pretty much over. This is all I got for now. Just trying to put more stuff out. Don't really have much more content right now, but anyway, thanks.